Let me guess. You've tried cutting carbs. You've skipped meals. You've pushed through workouts that left you breathless and sweaty. And still, that stubborn belly fat is not going anywhere, right? It's like no matter what you do, your body just holds on to the fat. And here's the crazy part. Most people are doing everything and still not seeing results. Why? Because they're following diets that are impossible to stick to. They get hyped and go all in, but then life hits. The cravings come back, the motivation fades, and boom, the fat comes back even faster. But what if I tell you that it's not your fault? You don't need hardcore workout. You don't need to starve yourself. You just need to fix your habits. And trust me, it's way easier than you think. In this video, I'll show you 5 simple changes you can start today. No strict diets, no crazy gym plans, just real, doable things that actually work, even if you failed before. Let's dive in. All right, before we talk about how to lose fat, we need to understand what we're actually dealing with. Here's the truth. Fat is your body's storage system. It holds on to energy, just in case you ever need it. But in today's world, we eat more, we move less, and our bodies just keep storing energy without ever getting the chance to burn it off. Now here's the scary part. Too much fat, especially around your belly, is dangerous. It messes with your hormones, raises your risk of diabetes, and puts serious pressure on your heart. And I know you probably won't like hearing this next part, but it's the truth. You can't spot reduce fat. You can't just choose to burn belly fat first. That's not how your body works. Your body decides the order. And in most cases, belly fat is the first to show up and the last to go. Fat loss is full body. You lose it little by little from all over. So doing endless crunches, hoping for abs? Yeah, that's not gonna cut it. But here's the good news. If you make the right changes, you can flip your body into fat-burning mode, naturally. And that's exactly what we're going to start doing right now. Let's start simple. If you want to lose fat, stop drinking your calories. And what do I mean by that? Sodas, juices, and sweetened coffees might taste great, but they're packed with sugar and empty calories. And the worst part is, your brain doesn't count liquid calories the same way it does solid food. So you drink 300 calories of soda and still feel hungry 10 minutes later. Then you know what happens next. You eat more without even realizing it. And that's how fat quietly builds up. No, I'm not saying you have to give up flavor. I'm saying swap smarter. Instead of soda, try sparkling water with lemon. Instead of juice, eat whole fruits. More fiber, fewer calories. And if you love your morning coffee, replace sugar with a 0-calorie sweetener like stevia and swap the heavy cream for low-fat milk. These small changes might not seem like a big deal, but they can save you hundreds of calories every single day. And over time, that adds up to serious fat loss. So here's the truth most fitness gurus won't tell you. Working out for 1 hour won't make much of a difference if you're sitting still for the next 23 hours. Our bodies were built to move, regularly, not just during a workout. But today we sit more than we move, and that slows down your metabolism. The good news is, it's easy to fix. You don't need a gym, you don't need to sweat, you just need to move for 2 to 3 minutes every hour. Walk around your room, do a few jumping jacks, stretch your back and shoulders, take the stairs instead of the elevator. Especially walk at least 15 to 20 minutes after every meal. These small, simple movements might not seem like much, but they keep your metabolism active, improve circulation, and help you burn more fat all day long. It's not about being perfect. It's about staying consistently active throughout the day. You've been told to eat less to lose weight, but what if the real secret is to eat right, not less? That's where protein comes in. It keeps you full for longer. It helps preserve muscle while you burn fat. And it seriously reduces cravings. So instead of cutting food, start adding the right stuff. Have eggs or Greek yogurt for breakfast? Add paneer or lentils to your lunch. And for a snack, try tofu or a scoop of whey protein. You'll feel more satisfied. You'll naturally eat less. And the cool part is, your body burns more calories just to digest protein. Yes, protein literally boosts your metabolism while being processed. If you're trying to lose fat without losing strength, protein is your best bet. This one's a game changer, and barely anyone talks about it. When you don't sleep enough, your brain gets foggy, you feel more stressed, you start craving sugar, and junk food becomes almost impossible to resist because your hunger hormones go completely out of balance. Now think about it. How can your body burn fat if it's stuck in survival mode from sleep deprivation? So make sleep a priority. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Stay off your phone at least 30 minutes before bed. Keep your room cool, dark, and quiet. Your body needs rest to recover, to burn fat, and to build lean muscle. Sleep isn't optional. It's your secret fat loss weapon. Late night snacks. Yeah, they're cozy, but they also slow down fat burning. When you eat right before bed, your body stays busy digesting instead of focusing on repair, recovery, and burning fat while you sleep. The fix is simple. Finish dinner at least 3 hours before bedtime. If you get hungry later, sip warm water or try green tea. This gives your system time to reset, and over time, you'll feel lighter, sleep better, and wake up with more energy. Burning fat isn't about doing more. It's about building the right habits. I know losing weight can feel hard. You're told a million different things every day. Try keto, cut all carbs, do HIIT workouts until you can't breathe. But none of that works if your habits are broken. And the truth is, you don't have to change everything at once. Start with just one of these 5 changes. Stick with it for a few days, then add the next one, and before you know it, your body will start to respond. You'll feel better, you'll move better, and most importantly, you'll feel like you're finally back in control. If this helped you, hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. Drop a comment below. Which one will you add to your routine? Thanks for watching.